Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Pradhan, teacher in Social Studies. On behalf of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bhubaneswar, I welcome all to this video series of Social Science. Today we are going to start the video series of Class 10th NCERT Geography Chapter 3. The topic is water resource. So let's start the topic. Water resource. It is a natural resource. We will complete this topic in 5 parts. This is the first part of a water resource. In this video, we will cover the introduction, some facts and figures. It means we know the importance of a water resource. We will also discuss some facts like percentage of saline and fresh water on the earth surface. In the second part, we will discuss about water scarcity, water conservation and management. In this video, we will know about cause of water scarcity in India and the reason for need to conservation of a water resource. In the third part of a video lecture, we will get information regarding multi-purpose river project and integrated water resource management. In this part, we discuss about types of dams, the advantage and problems of a multi-purpose river project. In the fourth part, we will discuss about rainwater harvesting system. In this part, we will discuss about various tradition and modern method to rainwater harvesting in different region of India. In our fifth video, we will learn the map skill of this chapter. In this part, we know the major rivers and dams of India and we can locate these on India map. So let's start the introduction part of our video series. What is water? It is a chemical combination of two hydrogen and one oxygen. It is in science term, but for human, it is much more than that. After air, water is the second essential element for survival of a human being. Water can give life and take life as well. Water can give life and take life as well means water is very essential so it can give life, but sometimes due to excessive water during flood it can take life also. Use and importance of a water resource. Water is used for various purposes in our daily life, like water is used for drinking, bathing, washing the clothes and utensils. It is also used for irrigation purpose. We also use it in industries, and water is also used for generating hydroelectricity. What are some facts and figures? Given below are some facts and figures about water resource of India as well as world. Just read these facts. I will explain these one by one in our next slides. Water is a renewable resource. 3/4 of the earth's surface is made up of water. 96.5% is oceanic water. 2.5% is fresh water. 70% of fresh water occurs in ice sheet and glacier. 30% is groundwater. 4% rain received by India globally and rank 133rd in the world in the terms of water availability per person per annum. Total renewable resource of water in India are estimated at 1,897 square kilometer per annum. It is predicted that large part of India will face absolute water scarcity by 2025. Water is a renewable resource. To understand this, try to watch the animation. Solar radiation, evaporation from bodies of waters, animal and vegetation transpiration, cloud formation, water return to the earth as rain, water flow back toward bodies of water. So in this animation, we show the water cycle, means the process by which water continually changes its form and circulation between ocean, atmosphere and land. Water is a renewable resource as it gets renewed by water cycle that including three processes: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So we understand that the hydrological cycle ensures that water is a renewable resource. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It means one part is covered by the land and three part is covered by the water. If we assume the earth surface is 100%, then 71% is covered by the water, different water bodies like ocean, lakes, ponds, rivers and streams. Similarly, remaining 29% are covered by the land, different land forms like plain, plateau, mountain, desert, etc. One question is aroused. If there is more water than land on this earth, why do so many countries face water shortage? To understand this, let's discuss in our next slides. 96.5% of the total volume of world's water is estimated to exist as ocean and only 2.5% as fresh water. And these are the ocean water. Look at the pie chart. If total world's water is 100%, then 96.5% are present in the ocean, meaning these are the saline water. Due to saline nature, we are unable to use it, and remaining 2.5% are fresh water. Among these 2.5% of fresh water, nearly 70% of this fresh water occur as ice sheet and glacier in Antarctica, Greenland and the mountainous region of the world. Meaning among the 2.5% of the fresh water, if you assume it 100%, 70% are found in this mountainous region or Antarctica, Greenland as ice cap or ice sheet, and which is not easy for use the human consumption. Little less than 30% is stored as groundwater in the world. Total fresh water is 100% and 30% are present in as groundwater, and remaining 70% are found in the glacier. Meaning if we assume the total fresh water as 100%, 30% are groundwater, 70% are found in ice cap and ice sheet. This fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater that is continually being renewed and recharged by the water cycle. Remember these 2 points, surface runoff and groundwater. These are the two main sources of fresh water. Distribution of Earth's water. Total volume of Earth's water is 100%. Among these 96.5% is found in the ocean. It means saline water which is not suitable for human consumption. Approximately 1% is also salty water which is found in different lakes. Remaining 2.5% are fresh water. If we assume that 2.5% fresh water as 100%, then 70% are found in the ice sheet and glacier which is not easy to available for human consumption. Remaining 30% of the fresh water are found in the groundwater which could be used by the human being. So despite 3.3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water, only less than 1% is suitable for human consumption. So maximum countries of the world are facing water scarcity now. India receives nearly 4% of the global precipitation and rank 133rd in the world in terms of water availability per person per annum. The total geographical area of the world is 100%, then India is covered 2.4%. If total precipitation of the world is 100%, so India receives 4%. Rank of India, according to size, our rank is 7. But according to population, our population rank is second. The population of India is more than 1.35 billion. The population of the world is more than 7.65 billion. So due to this, approximately 17.5% of the world's population are living in India. Due to this huge population in India, available of water per person per annum is less than other country, and our rank is 133rd. The total renewable water resource of India are estimated at 1897 square kilometer per annum. It means every year 1897 square kilometer area of water is recharged by the water cycle in India. By 2025, it is predicted that large part of India will join countries or regions having absolute water scarcity. Due to growing population and demand, the way people wasting water today, instead of conserving it, in future large part of India among many countries or region having absolute water scarcity. Important question. Given below are some important questions. What percent of global precipitation does India receive? 1 mark. What is the rank of India in availability of water per person per annum? 1 mark. Explain how water become a renewable resource. 3 mark. Give any 5 facts and figures about the water resource in the world. Try to solve all the 4 questions. I already explained this answer in my slides. Thank you so much for watching this video.